At the end of this video, you should be able to design a professional letterhead using your smartphone. So without much ado, let's get started. So the very first thing we have to do is to delete this text that is on this software. So click on delete and then it will be deleted, and then we need to change the image size. Click on the three red button and then you click on image size and then you change the width to 2500, and then you change the height to 3508. So now we need to change the background color. So click on the fourth icon at the bottom left and then you click on color and then click on color again and then you change it to white. So we need to design a shape. Click on the shape and then make it big and then you decrease it like this, and then you change the color to pure black. Decrease it once again, decrease it once again, and then you fix it to this area and then make sure it touches the edge. So this is what we need to achieve, and then you make sure that position, if you cannot do it manually, you can easily come to position and then you make sure you click the image and then you can easily adjust it. So here it is. So once you are satisfied, then you click out. So we need to copy this text again. Click on this place, click on it and then click on it back and then you click on copy, then it will be duplicated. So click on relative position and then you bring it out. Let's bring it to the center. So we need to rotate. Click on rotate and then change it to 90. So we can actually use this minus sign to change it back to 90. So then bring it down, fix it like this. So we're okay. So now we need to import the logo. Click on the plus sign and then you click on from gallery. So once you click on from gallery, we are using bold for our project. Click on OK. So decrease it, decrease. So click on it again and then click on position to move it up and then click on relative position to centralize it. So here we are. Now we need to input our first text. Click on A and then you click on text. So click on edit and then we're going to type the name of the company, Bird Concepts. So you click on OK. So bring it here. So we need to change the font. Click on font. We need to change it to probably something bold, arm wrestler. So we need to go back to relative position to fix it at the center, and then you click on position to bring it down. So here it is. So we can actually decrease the size because it's kind of big. So decrease the size and then go back to relative position to fix it at the center again. So now copy this text again and then you click on edit and then you type contacts, or probably you need to put address too. So at the previous one we designed, we did not put address. You can actually put address there. So let's put address. address, which is maybe let's make it number 2 Arrowood Street, Lagos. So click on OK and then you drag it here. So we need to change the font type to something lighter. We use regular, Amaranth regular. So we need to decrease the size to something like 21, and then here you can actually click the edge here so that it will fit. So you take it up, and then I still believe that it's too very big, so let's decrease to 14. Come to relative position and then you fix it at the center. So that's the address, and then once again we need to put the phone number again. So click on copy and then you click on edit. So put contact, so you type the phone number, press comma, and then click on OK. Then you use your position to bring it down. So you can now use your relative position to automatically fix it in there. Now there's something called your ref and our ref. We didn't put it in our first design, so let's fix it in here. Click on copy and then click on edit. So you're going to type your ref. So input this and then you type your dots, click on OK, then use the position to bring it down, and then you fix it here. So you need to fix it at the previous one, and then click OK again, click copy and then click on edit, and then you input ref, click on OK, come to position and then you put it down. So you fix it. You can actually use relative position to fix it to the edge, while you use normal position to adjust it to the same line. So I believe they are in the same line. So yeah, it is. So now we need to copy again, and then you click on edit. So we need to put the name of the website or email address. So we'll be using email address, email. So email is okay. So let's type borrowed@gmail.com. Click on OK. So once you click on OK, come to relative position to bring it down. Use position to now bring it down to the footer. Now use relative position to fix it at the center, and then here it is. So now we need to input our image from gallery again, and then bring in the logo, and then you decrease it, then you fix it in here. So click on the third one and then come to opacity to reduce the brightness. Here it is. So reduce the brightness. Can make it bigger again. So here it is. This is a beautiful letterheaded. So once you are done, remember to save. So click on the three dotted line and then you export your image, and then you change it to Hotra. So you click on save to gallery. So that's how to design a professional letterhead. You need to keep practicing and practicing until you become a master in it. See you in the next video.